This is my current bike that I'm riding for the No Bike team. I got a Colony low cut frame that's integrated. I got a Fit Kevlar seat pivotal, Stolten Thermalite seat post, premium 1948 cranks with Colony bottom bracket, profile spline drive chain wheel, and a Shadow Conspiracy half link, a Clat alloy pedals in electric green, Colony integrated headset, Odyssey Elementary V3 stem, premium whiskey bars, Garrett Reynolds signature, Colony Guardian forks, Shadow Conspiracy Orbits front rim with a tree sealed female front hub, and Shadow Conspiracy spokes in white with a tree hub guard and a pair of United pegs. Premium Refuse Resist tire, 2.25 wide. It's a good tire. Audi bar ends just on the inside. Odyssey Aaron Ross grips that are pretty trashed up. Shadow Conspiracy bar ends, metal. Colony cone cassette hub, laced to an Odyssey 7KA back rim with an Animal ASM tire. Colony hub guard, and it sounds pretty good. And I just got a little random arrowhead thing jammed right there. Plan on sticking that on the brake mods, just kind of random. And that's my bike. The whole thing was about $1,600. Make sure you watch the new No Bike Co video when it comes out. Enjoy.